Hey there, future millionaires. Are you ready to dive into the world of AI-powered wealth creation? Well, buckle up because I am about to spill the tea on how to get rich quick with AI in 2025, focusing on YouTube automation. So, picture this. It's 2025, and AI has taken over the internet like a viral dance challenge. But instead of doing the robot, we're using robots to make bank. It's just working smarter, not harder. And in 2025, if you're not using AI to boost your hustle, you're basically living in the Stone Age. YouTube automation is the name of the game. And let me tell you, it's hotter than a fresh out-of-the-oven pizza roll. Well, it's easier than trying to fold a fitted sheet. I'll tell you that much. First, you need to pick your niche. In 2025, YouTube automation isn't just about views and subscribers. Oh no, we're playing 4D chess here. Your AI-powered channel is going to be a content-creating, money-making machine. We're talking ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise, and maybe even a line of AI-inspired energy drinks. The possibilities are endless, just like your potential bank account balance. Maybe you want to create a channel about conspiracy theories, or perhaps you're more into ASMR videos of people whispering stock market tips. Now go forth, future YouTube tycoons, and may the algorithm be ever in your favor. Peace out, and don't forget to smash that like button on your way to financial freedom. It is also optimizing your videos for the algorithm faster than you can say like and subscribe. But in 2025, your AI assistant is handling all that jazz. It's chatting with your fans, moderating discussions, and even starting beefs with other AI-powered channels for that sweet, sweet drama that drives engagement through the roof. You'll be analyzing trends, tweaking titles, and crafting thumbnails that are so clickable, people's fingers will get tired. And you're right to be skeptical. After all, if making money on YouTube was as easy as pushing a button, everyone would be doing it. Oh wait, in 2025, everyone is doing it. But here's the secret sauce. It's not about being the only one using AI, it's about using AI better than everyone else. Whatever floats your boat, there's an AI for that. Maybe it's your unique sense of humor, your off-the-wall ideas, or your ability to predict meme trends before they happen. Whatever it is, that's what you feed into your AI to make your channel truly one of a kind. First things first, let's talk about what YouTube automation actually is. Basically, it's using AI to create, manage, and optimize your YouTube channel without breaking a sweat. Gone are the days of spending hours filming, editing, and uploading videos. It's like having a golden goose, but instead of eggs, it lays perfectly optimized YouTube videos. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use your AI powers for good, or at least for entertaining content that makes people laugh, think, or question their life choices. Now you can sit back, relax, and let the AI do all the heavy lifting. In 2025, we've got AI that can generate video ideas, write scripts, create visuals, and even narrate the whole shebang in a voice that sounds more human than your actual human friends. It's like having a whole production team in your pocket, minus the coffee runs and creative differences. But hold up, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that cheating? Nah, fam. You've got to train that AI like it's a puppy learning to fetch. Feed it the right data, tweak its settings, And before you know it, you'll have an AI that knows your style better than you do. It's like having a twin, but one that never sleeps and is always pumping out content. So, how do you get started with YouTube automation in 2025? Once you've got your niche locked down, it's time to let the AI work its magic. But here's the kicker. You can't just set it and forget it. Now, let's talk about the money, honey. But wait, there's more. In 2025, AI doesn't just stop at creating content. And let's not forget about engagement. In the olden days, you had to actually respond to comments yourself. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. So, how do you stand out in a sea of AI-generated content? Simple. You've got to add that human touch. In conclusion, getting rich with a Dewey quickly in 2025 through YouTube automation is totally possible. So, are you ready to jump on the AI bandwagon and ride it all the way to the bank? Of course you are.